Fall is the best time to start preparing your garden for next spring. After you've enjoyed your summer growing harvest, you'll want to replenish your soil so that it has time to develop during the winter season. Garden boxes are a great option for growing your own food, and they're easy to manage. If you cultivate the soil in your garden boxes, it will produce a high yield during the growing season. Starting out, we recommend adding a humic acid product. Rooted Minerals sells a humic acid-based product called Abundance, which is available on our website, and it's perfect for garden boxes. You'll want to spread the humates over the top of the soil, and you only need a light coating, as a little bit goes a long way. After you've spread a coating along the top, you'll want to rake it in so that it mixes evenly with your soil. Next, we recommend adding your manure additive in the fall. This gives the manure time during the winter season to break down and integrate into your soil. The manure we're using is a horse manure which has sat outside and aged for about 8 to 12 months before we put it in our garden. You'll want to make sure to let it sit out instead of putting it immediately in your garden from a horse stable. Next, you'll use a shovel to mix it into your soil. You'll want to go about 6 to 8 inches deep, as that's where the plant roots will be reaching. At this point, you can rake and level your garden box, and then you'll want to water it generously until all of the soil is completely soaked. You may want to add additional additives such as minerals, depending on the health of your soil and the variety of vegetables that you're planning to grow in each garden box. Fall is also a great time to get your compost piles started for the winter. We recommend waiting until early spring before adding your compost to your garden box. Use the winter season to add vegetable scraps and turn the compost frequently with a pitchfork or shovel. Fall leaves are a fantastic source of natural minerals and carbon for your compost. Add layers of leaves about 6 inches thick between layers of greens or other nitrogen-rich vegetables. Leaves carry the important minerals which trees have extracted deep below the Earth's surface and are an excellent source for mineralizing your compost. For more information and to purchase Abundance Humic Acid for building your garden soil, visit us at rootedminerals.com.